Hello everyone. A very warm welcome to all the students, faculty, speakers and researchers of life sciences associated with this online platform Botany for You. I am Dr. Deepak Koche, founder member of Botany for You, an online platform for the students of life sciences and currently working as Professor, Department of Botany, Sri Shivaji College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Akola, Maharashtra. Here, I am welcoming you all in the national workshop on CSIR UGC NET JRF LS preparation part 4. I am sure that our earlier video lectures uploaded on our YouTube channel Botany for You proved helpful for your NET exam preparation, and we are sincerely trying to make available such useful videos for your pursuit. The video lectures we are presenting in this part of the national workshop are also unique with their content, mode of presentation and diversity of subjects. In this national workshop on CSIR UGC NET JRF LS preparation part 4 starting from 19th October to 21st October 2020. In this workshop, the first lecture will be delivered by Mr. Shubham A. Rathod, an young and dynamic teacher working as assistant professor, Department of Botany, Sri Shivaji College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Akola, Maharashtra. He has cleared NET JRF exam and pursuing his PhD research. He is delivering his lecture on protein sorting and targeting. The second lecture will be delivered by Dr. Akash Gautam. He is working as assistant professor at Center for Neural and Cognitive Science, School of Medical Science, University of Hyderabad, Telangana. He is NET and GATE in Life Sciences and also published 7 research papers in journals of national and international repute. Dr. Gautam is delivering his lecture on neurons and action potential. The third lecture of the day will be delivered by Dr. Rajesh Dhakne, Assistant Professor, Department of Microbiology, Jaywantrao Sawant College of Commerce and Science, Hadapsar, Pune, Maharashtra. He is NET and SET in Life Sciences. He has published 6 research papers in journals of national and international repute and also authored 1 book. Sir is delivering his lecture on inhibitors of transcription and translation. The fourth lecture of this session will be delivered by Dr. Deepa Chauhan. Madam is Assistant Professor in Botany at CU Shah Science College, Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Madam has cleared NET examination in Life Sciences and also published 4 research articles in national and international journals. Madam is delivering her lecture on gene mutation. On day 2 of workshop, that is 20th October 2020, the 5th lecture will be delivered by Dr. I. Rachna Kumari. Madam is Assistant Professor in Department of Genetics, Bhavans Vivekananda College of Science, Humanities and Commerce, Sainikipuri, Hyderabad, Telangana. Madam has cleared NET and GATE exam in Life Sciences and pursuing her research in the field of genetics. Madam is delivering her lecture on fine structure analysis of gene. The 6th lecture will be delivered by Ms. Ashwini Folkmare, a young lady in the field of life science and currently working as assistant professor in botany, Sri Shivaji College, Akot, district Akola, Maharashtra. She has cleared NET examination in life sciences and currently working for her PhD. Madam is delivering her talk on plant hormones and its biosynthesis. The 7th lecture will be delivered by Mr. Rahul Patil, another young talented faculty in the field of life science, currently working as assistant professor, Department of Zoology, Balwant College, Vita, district Sangli, Maharashtra. So far, he has published 7 research papers and 1 book. He is delivering his lecture on unlocking the mystery of cell signaling. The 8th lecture will be delivered by Mr. Nikhil Chaukande, yet another brilliant faculty in the subject botany, He has cleared NET examination in life sciences and also pursuing his PhD. He is currently working as Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, Sri Shivaji College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Akola, Maharashtra. And today, he is delivering his lecture on virology. On the closing day of the workshop, that is 21st October 2020, the 9th lecture of the workshop will be delivered by Dr. R. Nityadharini, Assistant Professor, Department of Microbiology, Kaveri College of Women, Trichy, Tamil Nadu. Madam has cleared NET exam and published more than 20 papers in national and international journals and also authored one book. Madam is delivering her lecture on an important topic, that is organisms of health and agricultural importance. The 10th lecture will be delivered by Dr. Ujwala Lande, another brilliant lady working as Assistant Professor, Department of Zoology, Sri Shivaji College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Akola, Maharashtra. She has cleared NET and SET examination in life sciences and also published more than 10 research papers in reputed journals. Madam is delivering her lecture on Hamilton's rules and altruism. The 11th lecture will be delivered by Mr. Shivdas Aher, who is working as Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, MSP Arts and Science and KPT Commerce College, Manora, District Washim, Maharashtra. He has cleared NET and SET examination in life sciences and currently working for his PhD in mutation breeding. He is delivering his talk on reproduction in flowering plants. The last lecture of this workshop will be delivered by Dr. Ravi Dabhade, another young talent in the field of life sciences, who is currently working as Assistant Professor in Department of Biochemistry, Sri Shivaji College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Akola, Maharashtra. He has cleared NET and GRE exam in life sciences. He is delivering his lecture on central dogma, some biomolecular aspects. On behalf of the organizing committee of this national workshop, Dr. Pitambar Humne, Dr. Nishikant Vasai, Dr. Nitin Labhane, Dr. Tushar Wankhede, I am welcoming all the speakers of this workshop and entire life science fraternity across the globe. Hope you would definitely like this venture and will be helpful to life science students for the preparation of their NET examination. With your faith and association with this online platform Botany for You, I have few announcements. The next national workshop on NET UGC JRF LS preparation in life sciences is scheduled on 23rd to 25th November 2020, and also we will start to upload videos regarding different aspects and topics of life sciences, especially for UG and PG students of Indian universities, so that they could get benefit from these to improve their own knowledge domain. Friends, this is a genuine venture exclusively for the students of life sciences. Your faith is our profit. So keep watching our channel Botany for You. Like it, share it and subscribe it. This is working for the benefit of student. With this, I conclude my introductory remark. Thank you very much.